So I get this question a lot about where is 876 documents. We are based in Connecticut. Do not let our Jamaican number fool you. We are only using that number on WhatsApp because our US number on WhatsApp had crashed in December. But we are based in Connecticut. Now, this is the situation right now. It's been snowing, of course, this winter, so it will snow. It is what it is. I love nature, so whatever nature brings, I love it. But the snow has turned to ice. So right now, I don't know if you can... You hear that crunch under my shoes? That is ice. That is not snow anymore. And it's very hard to walk out here. Over there under the trees is not so bad because we still have snow under the trees. But over here, it is all ice. So yeah, 876 documents help Jamaicans anywhere in the world with Jamaican documents. Passport, driver's license, birth certificate, marriage certificate, Jamaican citizenship, which is very popular now. Non-Jamaicans are trying to become Jamaican citizens by descent or by marriage, but mostly by descent. Everybody who had a mother or grandmother, father or grandfather who was Jamaican, or even great-grand, are trying to get their Jamaican citizenship. Yay! But so yeah, that's what we do. But I'm just making this video to say we are based in Connecticut. I am Gail and I am in Connecticut right now. We have Jamaican affiliates who assist us with our Jamaican we have Jamaican affiliates who assist us with the documents in Jamaica, like driver's license and TRN and police records. So we have to have an agent in Jamaica who does that for us. But I am here in the cold. I don't know what temperature it is today, because if it were not very cold, then the snow would not have turned to ice. Now, I love nature and I love whatever nature brings, so I'm not going to complain too much. I'm just going to walk out here and try not to fall, because I am wearing boots with heels. But good thing is, because I'm walking on the snow and the ice and the grass, my heels are digging in, the heels of my shoes, but I feel like I'm going to fall. I'm trying to walk to the river, stream. I'm going to exaggerate it and call it a river. I'm going to exaggerate and say it's a river. I'm walking to the place where the water is streaming right now, because it's one of my favorite spots where I live. Okay, so now I'm walking on grass with a little bit of ice in between, so I feel safer. Where can I go so I don't fall? Because I know if I fall, you guys are going to laugh. Oh my Lord. See if I can make my selfie stick go farther out. So now you can see the length and breadth of where I'm walking. Yeah, this is not a good idea, because once I get over there, how do I get back? It's like when I was in the cow bush with my dad the other day. I was chasing the cows to help him redirect them so he could cast the calf. But once I got to the swamp, I crossed, and then I couldn't get back over to the other side because I got stuck in the swamp. And I'm going to be posting those videos soon. Maybe I will definitely talk about how I got stuck in the swamp. I don't have any video of that, of course, because I was literally chasing cows. I was not out there trying to create content. I left my camera. Okay. I'm going to go down backwards. That way my heel touches the ground first before the pad of my foot. So I'm going down backwards. It is beautiful though. I love nature, and right now I'm freezing. I don't have any gloves on, but nature is so beautiful. I take what it gives me. And today it's probably giving frigid, but I'll take frigid, because even in its frigidness, it is still beautiful. Okay, I made it close enough. Okay, these grass are a lot thicker here, so I can sink deeper in it so I won't fall. So great. So look, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Listen. I was telling my sister I want to get out of the cold, but if I ever have to give up living here, I am going to miss this a lot. But I think I want to get out of the cold. I don't know, like it keeps me from being productive. You want a video of just the river, stream, brook, whatever that is? Let's get a closer look, shall we? All right, that is it for now. I left my car warming. Probably a bear has gone into the garage by now. Nah, it's not black bear season anymore. That is over. Well, hopefully it's not black bear season. I don't know anything about bears. I love flora. I don't know anything about fauna. How is the shortest way to get back to the car? Through the parking lot. Oh God, I need the shortest route back because my feet are cold right now. Oh yeah, no, I can't walk there. That's pure ice. All right, so we'll see if we can make it as fast as we can through the icy grass. I made it back to the car without falling, and now I'm going to the Dollar Tree to pick up a Sharpie, and then I'm going to go to the coffee shop and get myself a lovely sandwich or something for my breakfast lunch. Alright, I'm Gail of 876 Documents. Please subscribe and comment and share our videos so that other Jamaicans know that we assist Jamaicans with their documents. Alright, thank you for watching.